Hello YouTube, this axe is the Rothco Scout axe. I got this for $11 and change on Amazon, that includes the shipping. This is the lowest price possible axe that you can get. I was surprised to find it is made in Taiwan, okay, not made in China, made in Taiwan. And it is basically a fixer-upper project. Now the edge length on this is 3.1 inches by my measurement, and the overall length 13 3/4 inches, and they do not list the steel. It is full tang construction, alright, one solid piece of metal all the way through, and that is its saving grace actually. It has very crude wooden handle scales, alright, so those need to be replaced or at least wrapped with a grip, which we will do. The actual axe head itself comes without an edge. There is no edge. There is no edge whatsoever. You can literally do this and it will not cut you. All right, so step 2 in the fixer-upper process, we're going to grind an actual edge onto the Rothco Scout axe. Alright, so when I'm done making those modifications, I'll come back, I'll show them to you, and then we will test out the camp axe. Alright, I am back. A convex edge has been ground onto this. Alright, where formerly there was no edge at all. I don't know how well you can see the profile, but it's a very broad convex edge. And this steel is pretty bad because there was pitting. You can see there's actually pitting on the steel. That was not me. It was there already. Pitting on the steel. All right, that's why it's good to have this edge be broad, so at least it'll have a stronger geometry for chopping. Yeah, it now has a polished, very broad convex edge. And the handle has been wrapped. All right, so those very crude and uncomfortable handle scales have now been replaced by a very comfortable and grippy handle wrap that is Wilson racket tape. All right, so now it has an edge and it has a usable grip. Now we're going to go out and demonstrate this. Oh, and one more thing. Let me show you the blade guard it comes with. Alright, so tan-colored Rothco, and it slides up like so, right, and then it just has a button closure. Alright, so that's the fairly cheap blade guard. Alright, let's go hit a log in the Arctic wilderness. Okay, here we are outside. Our target, some lone pieces of wood, quite overcast, but alright, we're just going to see what this can do. Hold on, let me set up my tripod. Alright, so what do we have here? This is what it's done so far. Rather large piece of a log. Alright, I think we've brutalized this log enough. You get the idea. It's a sturdy budget hatchet. Alright people, well there you go. The $11 shipped Rothco Scout axe. Small fixer-upper hatchet. The grip worked very well, and the hatchet, you know, it was crude but powerful. If you want it to bite deeper into the wood, you're going to have to thin out that edge a bit. You know, you could thin out that edge as much as you want, all right, but that's up to you, all right, but it was very durable. Yeah, I mean, is it, you know, is it as good as a $150 axe from Sweden? Heck no. Is it good for $11 shipped? Heck yeah.